All right, everyone, it's time to stuff some cash. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today we are going to stuff the cash that I had planned out last night after I got paid. So first I want to check to make sure I have what I asked for. First, we need to prep the fingers with the quick sort. The quick sort makes everything easier. All right, so I should have $187. 50. 70, 90, 110, 130. $140, $150, $160, $570, $580. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 87. $187 is what I have. So, I also want to clean out my wallet because we didn't do that last night because I was way too exhausted to think of doing that. So let's get the extra $2, we'll put them here. Let's put this down in the coin bank. This looks like I need to scan it into my fetch app. All right, change total is now $98.28. So close to having $100 in here. That is fabulous. Okay. All right, let's start with save the date. We got paid last night, which was the 20th. Save the date is here. Oh, June 6th, I was on vacation. Okay. I was like, excuse me. But I did 203, 6, 7, 8, 9, 209, 120, 40, 60, 75, 85, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I owe this. 6, 6 is $6. 620 deposit. $20. didn't go in the right place. Alright, so I should have 223. 120, 40, 60, 80, 95, 200, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And I'm going to put the 2 extra ones in here. I owe you 4. I owe you 4. Alright, so 209, 229. Is that right? We don't know. 120, 40, 60, 80, 95, 205, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 225. $203 plus, oh, I put 6. And I only put 4. 4 is 207, 225. 203 plus 4 plus 20 is 227. Is not right. I put in 2. I need coffee. All right. No problem. No problem. Not a problem at all. Everything's fine. We should have some white out up here somewhere. Somewhere I have some white out. And that's not it. Okay. My name is Leslie, and I know how to do basic arithmetic, unless I haven't had coffee. Then I can't do anything. It is so fantastic. Alright, so I owe you 4. I put 2 in, so that was 205. Now we have 225, and that is correct. Let's put this one away and move on, because we apparently don't know how to add today. Whether we don't need to do grooming, no. Car maintenance will get something. Car maintenance was going to get $15. Ooh. So that's a 10 and a 5. And $620 deposit 15, so I should now have 75. 15, 30, 60, 75. I have that first row done. 50, 65, 75. So we're putting that into car maintenance. And then I have I think it's back here. Did I say I wanted to do that? Christmas is getting $5 So and I need for you to cooperate. Okay, one line is $5. So we're going to put $5 into, is it in the pink one? We don't even know. Christmas right here in the front. So now we have $5, $10, $15, $20, $25 in here. $5, $10, $15, $20, $25 is correct. And then in my dog vet, I had decided I wanted to put $10 in there. So now the dog vet has $30. And then I just need to do 26 weeks and my wallet. So for 26 weeks, we're stuffing $2. I have another dime to add to my $98.38. $98.38 in my, give or take 5 to 10 cent. It's a problem. So we're going to take this 2 envelope. Okay. We're going to take 1, 2. Fold it in half, put it in the envelope, put it down in here. And that's been done. Then I want to stuff my wallet. My wallet gets $135. Gas gets $45. That's a stretch with the price going up again. Groceries will get $50. Shopping gets $30 because I have addictions and school supplies are coming out. And then my buffer gets a 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. That is $187. Some of it saved, some of it prepared to get me through the next couple of weeks. And we live tight till the next one. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.